My dear child, today I am extending my heartfelt love to you. I want my words to transcend time and space and touch the most profound aspects of your being. Please listen to me and accept the unconditional love I am offering you without any strings attached. I want you to know that no matter what occurs, everything will work out in the end. So stop worrying about the past and start listening. If you close your eyes, you will hear my voice telling you how much I love you. I will dwell inside of you from now on, blessing you and showering you with love and forgiveness. I cherish you beyond your comprehension. Recognize that nothing you do could ever make me love you less or drive me away. Come back to me, my love. I want to speak to you directly. I know that sometimes you feel far away from me, but know that I see and understand everything you're going through. I am aware of all the challenges you encounter. No matter how far you've fallen or how far away you feel from me, I'm always here waiting to welcome you back with open arms, to forgive you completely, and to show you a life full of peace, blessings, and abundance. Please remember this as you navigate the temptations that pull at you and the ways you fall short, because I too have witnessed how alluring and challenging this world can be. Examine the path you're on, consider your options carefully, and make wise choices. The path of wrongdoing eventually leads only to pain and sorrow. While it may seem enjoyable at the time, it ultimately leaves you feeling empty inside. What I really want for you is a life filled with joy, love, peace, and hope. I need you to know that no matter how hard the enemy tries to tempt and trick you, I will always be with you, patiently waiting for you to return to me. Please listen to my voice, quiet your soul, and you will hear me speaking to you through the words I've given to guide your steps and light your way. Don't ignore it. I want to help free you from all the chains holding you back and weighing you down. I also want to heal the hurt and brokenness inside. Never forget you are my dear child, made to be like me with an incredible purpose far greater than anything this world offers. Find solace and fortitude in my words. Ponder them often, and you'll discover the solutions and support you require, my child. Don't ignore me today. Pay attention to what I have to say. I'm extending a hand to offer you my unreserved grace and forgiveness. You may think that your past transgressions and failures don't merit it, yet I still give it to you. Nothing you've done is too terrible for my unending, unconditional love to forgive. I'm pleading with you to stop and come to me. You don't have to fight these battles alone. Trust me, and I'll restore you and lift you up. Everything will genuinely be okay in me. You'll find a peace that the world can't give you and a hope that it doesn't have. My love will never run out. Point your heart toward my words and let me set you free from all the junk that's weighing you down. Embrace me, my darling child, and observe how I can change your life in ways that only I can choose. I just want what's best for you. I genuinely want to see you live life to the fullest and experience the kind of true happiness and serenity that only I can provide. The world appears bright and joyful, yet the bliss it brings is fleeting and leaves you feeling empty. Fades so quickly and keeps you stuck in a never-ending cycle of disappointment and suffering. What I really want for you is a peace that lasts forever, a peace that follows you wherever you go. I want to give you a hope that is stronger than anything the human intellect can comprehend, hope that will sustain you through the worst storms of life. My child, it's time for you to turn away from the evils and temptations of this world. Step off the path you've been walking and run back into my arms. Remember, my love for you will never change, but it also pushes you to make good and right choices. Going along with the ways of the world won't bring any real lasting good into your life. It will only push you further from the deep peace your soul is thirsting for. Come to me with everything you've got, because I am the only way, the one truth, and the source of real life. I'm the only one who can give you the true peace and joy you've been looking so hard for. Let go of where you've been and what you've done. Don't be so hard on yourself, because I'm not. My love and grace are ready and waiting to completely change your life and fill it up with new meaning and purpose. Today I'm asking you to look up and let me show you the way. Let me guide you onto the right path, the one that will make your life full and meaningful. I won't let you down. I'll be right beside you, walking with you every single step. You'll never have to feel alone again. Keep moving forward. Come to me and I promise you'll find a peace that lasts, a hope that doesn't give up, and a joy that comes from living close to me forever. I watch over you, your home, your money, and your loved ones. Nothing and no one can hurt you while I'm by your side. No enemy or trouble can touch you. With me protecting you, I'll keep you safe from danger and cover you with my protection. When you're with me, you have a safe place to hide. My truth is like a shield that guards you from harm. No force coming against you will win, because I'm always here for you, watching out for you every minute of every day. You can be sure that nothing happens in your life without me knowing about it, because I'm always paying attention, pouring my love and care into every part of your world. Don't forget, from the day you were born, I've been your guardian. Nothing matters more to me than keeping you safe and sound. I understand that occasionally you may feel unprotected and scared, but you don't need to worry, because I'm always there for you and your family, keeping them safe and out of harm's way. Even in difficult times, I'm there to guide and advise them, offering wisdom for every decision they must make. I haven't forgotten about your financial situation either. I see all of your needs and the struggles you face, so trust me, I'm always here to help and provide for all of your needs from my boundless riches. Put your trust in me, and I'll make sure you never have to worry about anything. No matter how bad things get, no matter what's going wrong in the world, I'm always here to bless you and make everything you do succeed. Remember, you can always count on me, and I'll be by your side forever. Don't ever doubt my love or my ability to keep you safe. I'm aware of every detail of your life and am always ready and willing to provide for your needs and remove any burdens you may be experiencing. I delight in making impossible situations work for my glory and your good, so don't be afraid when I ask you to do something that seems illogical. Trust that I am leading you into a place of blessing and abundance. Do you recall the story of the prophet who was told to dig ditches in a dry valley despite the fact that there was no sign of rain? It didn't make sense to him, but as he obeyed, I filled those ditches with an abundance of water, more than enough to meet the needs of the people. You will learn about the amazing plans I have for your life when you continue to seek me through sincere worship and obedience. You will find yourself walking in a deeper level of intimacy with me and experiencing my love and guidance in ways you never thought possible. Lean on me for strength when the path is difficult, and know that I am always with you, guiding you every step of the way. I promise to lead you into a life of blessings and purpose fulfillment. I have big things in store for you, and I can't wait to reveal them to you as you put your trust in me. Always remember that I am your loving Father, your devoted guide, and your constant companion. I'll give you wisdom for every decision, strength for every challenge, and peace that surpasses all understanding. So keep creating that sacred space where we can commune together. I love you, my dear child. Continue seeking me, continuing to trust me, and continuing to walk in obedience. I have called you by name, and you are mine. So go forward with confidence, knowing that I am guiding you into a future full of hope and promise. I am eager to witness what I will do in and through your life as you submit to my will, my beloved child. When difficulties arise, it's easy to get discouraged and wonder where I am, but I'm always by your side, working behind the scenes on your behalf. Just as I told the kings to dig PR preparations for the water I would provide. I'm asking you to prepare your heart and mind to receive my blessings and to demonstrate your trust in me through your actions. I see your struggles and I know the doubts that occasionally creep into your mind, but I want you to know that your faith in me, even when it feels small, continue to pray, believe, and walk in accordance with my word even if you don't immediately see results. Know that I am at work in the holes you dig through your faithfulness. My kindness and goodness will overflow into the ditches of your continuous prayer, praise, and thankfulness, especially during difficult times, serving others, and living out your faith. I've put individuals in your life to support you because I know it's not always easy to stay going when things are tough. Don't be hesitant to call out to kind friends, powerful prayer and sage mentors when you feel weak, partners. Let them remind you of my promises. Let their faith strengthen yours. You were made for community, to support and encourage each other through seemingly insurmountable obstacles and disappointments. Resist the need to confine me to your human comprehension. When doubt shouts that your situation is hopeless, tune into my whisper telling you that anything is possible with me. When your strength wanes and you're tempted to give up, lean into my everlasting arms and let me carry you. Your faith is not measured by your feelings or circumstances, but by your decision to cling to me no matter what comes. I am not a distant, disinterested observer of your life. Rather, I am a loving Father who is deeply invested in you. My love for you is unwavering. Keep your attention on my faithfulness rather than your worries, and walk in bold faith knowing that I am there for you. Don't let short-term setbacks cause you to lose sight of my unwavering promises. As you totally trust me, I am using your life to write a story that is more beautiful and powerful than you can now see. I will bring my joy and tranquility into your life. I will provide healing and repair to regions that feel broken, and I will unlock doors that appear firmly locked. Beyond restoration, I will bless you in incredible ways so that you might bless others. Your faith illuminates the dark and declares to the world that I can accomplish far more than we could ever ask or imagine. Let your life be characterized by bold, submissive faith that excavates before the rain arrives, trusts in me in the waiting rooms, and believes in my heart and timing even in the face of uncertainty. I am the God of the impossibly abundant, and I am orchestrating all for your good and my glory. So, my child, keep digging, keep believing, and keep taking steps of faith. I am leading you to victory. I want you to know that I have a beautiful and inspiring vision for your future. A future in which barriers based on language and culture will no longer prevent the spread of my truth and love throughout the world. Imagine a time when people from all walks of life can find comfort, courage, and hope in the wisdom and understanding I offer. They will realize how important it is to look to me for guidance and to listen to my voice before they witness the evidence of their faith being lived out in their own lives. As you open your heart to me, you will start to experience the amazing blessings and miracles I have prepared especially for you. When you begin to view your life through my eyes, from my divine viewpoint, it will completely transform the way you handle challenges and work toward your goals.